Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Right now, as usual, guys, let's take a look at the gold market. So in general, as you can see, that gold mostly confirms our suggestion that this downward direction probably will continue, because yesterday we have discussed in our video some bearish signs that we saw on the intraday charts, and in particular on the hourly chart, that have given a hint on the possible downward continuation. Right now, as you can see, market is coming to a strong daily support. This is 1230 conference support, and also this is the objective point of the harmonic swing. So this actually line is the clone of this previous retracement. We just clone and then drag this area, and usually markets follows the harmonic swings and keeps them very well. And as you can see, the destination point of this harmonic swing coincides in general with the 1230 area of confidence support. So gold market right now is a very sophisticated market, and we think that as a result of the current year, we suppose that the backwind of the political tensions will overcome the headwind from the financial factors, such as, for example, the Fed tightening policy. Because actually yesterday, Fed hasn't said something really new. They just stand on course to rate hiking, and is coming to the June meeting, where the rate should be raised for the first time. At least investors expect to see this. And Fed just confirmed that it stands on this course. But why this has pressed on the gold market, I think that's just less time rest till this moment. So if in March and or February, that was so lots of time till the June meeting. So right now we just have the month, approximately around the month till this moment. That's why this press on the gold market strongly. And also some geopolitical factors that was supportive to gold market right now is a bit quiet. Still, we think that is the temporal quiet, because as you can see, Europe is coming to the very important period of time. So we have the elections in May in France. We will have in September the elections in Germany. Between these periods will be very saturated geopolitical period in Europe. Also, we already see some problems starting to appear again in Macedonia and the Montenegro. So the fire that was come down in the beginning of the millennium. So right now, as you can see, starting flames against rising in this region. So this will be, I think, another important territory, and that will impact on the overall geopolitical situation. Also, as you know, the Trump administration have given a hint that they do not intend to take the burden of the previous administration and resolve the problems of the Ukraine and other problems in the Eastern Europe that was started, and that brings additional obligations on the euro. So this situation is really sophisticated, and we think that after some quiet period, it's again the geopolitical tensions will appear. That's why we mostly still have the bullish view on the gold market, and think that current retracement is the temporal. In the short-term perspective, guys, in technical point of view, today, tomorrow, we will be watching for response to the confidence support, because tomorrow we will get non-farm payroll release. Although it is expected to be positive, but who knows what will happen. Anyway, in the nearest term perspective, we expect the market will reach this support area and then show some upward bounce out from it. So on the follow time frame chart, as you can see, market is taking some steep shape of the steep channel. But here is more important than other issues that take a look. Market is forming the reversal swing. So as you can see, this swing up is smaller than this swing down. What does it mean? It means two major points. First point is the upper retracement after reversal swing usually strong. It takes shape of some kind of the ABCD. This is the first conclusion that we could make from the appearing on the reversal swing. Second conclusion is that as reversal swing has been completed, it usually leads to a pure deep retracement. So our suggestion that we could get on the daily chart some kind of the A, B, C, D retracement is coming closer to reality as we have got this deep action. So that's two moments that we'll be watching for in the medium term perspective, but today, tomorrow, we are watching for reaching this support area in response to this strong confidence support that we have on the daily chart.